유푸즈 데드워슨 셀룰라이트. 셀룰라이트 is a condition characterized by the formation of lumps and padding the buttocks, size, and abdomen. It's also known as gynoid lipodystrophy, but it's more commonly called orange peel skin due to its distinctive appearance. In this article, you'll learn about 유푸즈 데드워슨 셀룰라이트. Cellulite is more common in women than in men, especially starting from puberty. Overweight women and women who suffer from hormonal imbalances are more prone to this ailment. While it's not considered a serious problem, its presence can alert due to a bad functioning of the lymphatic system, fluid retention, and inflammatory disorders. Although there are many factors involved in the appearance of cellulite, regularly eating certain foods can worsen the condition. Do you know what they are? In this article, we'll share the most common ones so you can avoid them. What causes cellulite? Cellulite is an inflammation of the subcutaneous tissue that occurs due to bad circulation. This, in turn, increases toxin retention in the tissues and promotes the storage of fat tissue under the skin. Risk factors. Cellulite isn't caused by one specific thing. Instead, one or more factors usually explain its appearance. These include being overweight or obese, having a sedentary lifestyle, smoking and drinking alcohol excessively, wearing tight clothes that hinder circulation, eating an unbalanced diet, sudden hormonal changes, puberty, pregnancy or menopause, water retention, taking oral contraceptives, cellulite symptoms. Other manifestations include loss of skin elasticity, pain and inflammation, dry skin and visible dimples, pink skin, quilted look, 유푸즈 데드워슨 셀룰라이트. while some foods help detox your body to promote cellulite reduction, others are full of saturated fats, sugars, and chemical additives that tend to make it worse. Here are some of them. processed mix. This mix always look fresh and fast and easy to make and eat. However, due to their high flour, fat, and sodium contents, they are one of the worst enemies of circulatory health. Eating them regularly leads to lipid accumulation in the arteries, water retention, and extra body weight. Therefore, to reduce cellulite or at least prevent it from getting worse, you shouldn't eat a lot of lunch meat. ham, pepperoni, 소지 치즈, 베이컨, dairy products, There's no denying that dairy products contain beneficial nutrients. However, due to their high concentration of saturated fats, it's best you avoid them in excess to reduce cellulite. These substances are deposited in the tissues and can increase the presence of saggy and dimple skin. Furthermore, due to their lactose contents, they can trigger inflammatory reactions in intolerant patients. Dressings, condiments. People usually add dressings or condiments to their dishes to enhance their flavors. The problem is that many of their components increase fat accumulation in the body or lead to water retention in the tissues. The best thing you can do is cook the following products from your diet. Mayonnaise, 케첩, 머스터드, 소이 소시지, 블랙 소스,